Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Today's subtopic is the derivative of one function with respect to other function. Okay, in this class I would like to explain this based on problems. Okay, so what is the first problem? The derivative of a to the power x with respect to sin inverse x. We have one formula, the derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so let us take y is equal to a to the power x and x is equal to sin inverse x. What is the formula? dy by dx. So derivative of y, where y placed in right a to the power x, derivative of x value sin inverse x. This means derivative of a to the power x with respect to sin inverse x. Okay, so derivative of a to the power x, we get a to the power x into log a. This is the formula. Derivative of sin inverse x, we have formula 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, this will be a power x into log a base e into this root 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the derivative of one function with respect to other function. What is the first function? Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. What is the second function? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So let us take y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, and x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. Therefore y is equal to cos inverse of, therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. So cos inverse of, put x place in tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, we have cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This will be cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So y value, we got it 2 theta. Next x. So x is equal to tan inverse of, where x place in right tan theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This will be tan inverse of this formula tan 2 theta. This formula is tan 2 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta is 2 theta, where x value 2 theta. But our target is dy by dx. So derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of first function with respect to second function. So derivative of, so what is y? 2 theta. We got it by x value 2 theta. So both are get cancelled. Answer is answer 1. Okay, look at the next question. Find the derivative of sin inverse x with respect to cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. Okay, so derivative of first function with respect to second function. So let us take first function is y sin inverse x and second function x is equal to cos inverse of root 1 minus x square. Okay, so let us take x is equal to sin theta. So this will be theta is equal to sin inverse x. So where x is equal to cos inverse of, so under root 1 minus sin square theta. So cos inverse of, so root under 1 minus sin square theta, we have cos theta formula. Cos theta. Cos inverse of cos theta will be theta. Theta, right, sin inverse x. Where x is equal to also sin inverse x. But our target, what is required? dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal derivative of y. Y value, right, sin inverse x. And the derivative of x, we got it sin inverse x. Okay, both are get cancelled. Answer will be 1. Okay, now moving on next question. find the derivative of e to the power sin inverse x with respect to log x. Okay, so the derivative of first function with respect to second function model. So let us take first function y is equal to e to the power sin inverse x, and log x is x, capital X, but our target is dy by dx. So derivative of y e to the power sin inverse x, this whole divided by derivative of log x. This means derivative of e to the power sin inverse x with respect to log x. So derivative of e to the power sin inverse x, e to the power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x by using chain rule, 1 by root 1 minus x square, this whole divided by derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what is the answer? So this x into e to the power sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. The derivative of tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse x. Okay. Let us take first function is y. Y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Okay, second function let us take x is equal to tan inverse x. Now, so this is in the form of root 1 plus x square. So let us take x is equal to tan theta, because we have root 1 plus tan square theta secant theta formula. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay. Now, y is equal to tan inverse of. So in the expression write tan theta. So root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay. This will going to be tan inverse. Root 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So this will be, so y is equal to tan inverse of secant theta. We have secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Sin theta is 1 sin by cos. So 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So tan inverse of, so let us do LCM. What is LCM? Cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta by, so after LCM this cos theta get cancelled. So tan inverse value, tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, this is y value. Okay. Okay, we got y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So this will be tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. We have formula 2 sin square theta by 2. So denominator sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. In this 2 sin theta by 2 get cancelled. So tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, this is nothing but tan theta by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2, this will be theta by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 into what is theta? Okay, theta is tan inverse x. But our target is dy by dx. This is required. Okay. Derivative of y. Derivative of y means derivative of tan inverse x by derivative of x. What is x? Tan inverse x. Okay. Derivative of x is tan inverse x. In this 1 by 2 constant, derivative of tan inverse x by derivative of tan inverse x, both are get cancelled. This will be 1 by 2. Let us go to the next problem. Find the derivative of cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 with respect to sin inverse x. Okay. So let us take first function is y and second function is x. So y is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 and second function is sin inverse x. Okay. What is the form? 2x square minus 1. So let us take x is equal to cos theta. Because 2 cos square theta minus 1, we have formula cos 2 theta. So let us take x is equal to cos theta. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay. So y is equal to cos inverse of, so 2x square minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos inverse of this value is cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 formula is cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta, this is nothing but 2 theta, y value. So y is equal 2 times of what is theta? Cos inverse x. Okay. Where x value sin inverse x. Our target is dy by dx. This is required. So derivative of y, 2 cos inverse x by derivative of sin inverse x. In this 2 constant, derivative of cos inverse x, we have formula minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x, this is also 1 by root 1 minus x square. So 1 by root 1 minus x square get cancelled. Answer will be minus 2. Let us go to the next problem. Find the derivative of x to the power x with respect to log x. Okay. So let us take y is equal to x to the power x and x is equal to log x. Okay. So our target is dy by dx. So derivative of first function with respect to second function. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So derivative of x to the power x by derivative with respect to log x. So differentiation of x power x. We have formula x power x into 1 plus log x. This is the formula. By derivative of log x, we have 1 by x. Okay. So this will be x power x into, this 1 by x means into x, 1 plus log x. So this will be x power x plus 1 into 1 plus log x. This is the final answer. X power x into x, x power x plus 1. Okay, look at the next question. The derivative of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay. So derivative of one function with respect to other function model. So let us take y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. The second function x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. By using substitution method, we have 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta sin 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula cos 2 theta. Okay. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, y is equal to sin inverse of, so put expression tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. This will be sin inverse of, this formula is sin 2 theta from trigonometry formula. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta, this is nothing but 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Okay. Now we have to find x value. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square, we have cos 2 theta. This is equal to 2 theta. So x value, we got it 2 theta. Therefore, our target is dy by dx. What is required? Dy by dx. So derivative of y value 2 theta as well as x value also 2 theta. Get cancelled, answer will be 1. Let us go to the next problem. The derivative of secant inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1 with respect to under root 1 plus 3x with at x is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. This is our target. So let us take first function is y. What is the first function? Secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. And second function x is equal to root 1 plus 3x. Okay. So let us do simplify this y value. So let us take x is equal to cos theta. Why? Because we have 2 cos square theta minus 1 formula cos 2 theta. Okay. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse x. So y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by, write expression cos theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this will be secant inverse of 1 by this value cos 2 theta. So secant inverse of 1 by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos 2 theta is nothing but secant 2 theta. Okay, 2 times of secant inverse of secant 2 theta, this will be 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Theta is cos inverse. So this is y value. Okay, x value from statement x is equal to 1 plus root 3x. Root 1 plus 3x. X value under root 1 plus 3x. So now our target is dy by dx. Okay. Okay. So our target is dy by dx. Derivative of y value, we got it 2 theta. But derivative of x is 1 plus root 3x under root. Root under 1 plus 3x. So derivative 2 constant. Derivative of what is theta? Theta value cos inverse x by differentiation of root function 1 by 2 root function into differentiation of 1 plus 3x. Okay, we should applying chain rule. Differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of 3x is 3 into 3. Okay, this will be 2 times of differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, okay, into this value 2 times of root 1 plus 3x by 3. So our target is at x is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, so put expression 1 by 3. This value will be, okay, put expression 1 by 3. This minus 2 minus 4 by root over 1 minus 1 by 9 x square into root 1 plus 3 into 1 by 3, this whole divided by 3. Okay, so minus 4, this is root 2 minus 4 root 2. So this value 9 minus 1, root 8 by root 9. So this is 2 root 2 by 3 into 3. The 3 cancel, on root 2 cancel, 2 1 j, 2 2 j cancel. So answer is minus 2. Let us go to the next problem. Okay. Find the derivative of tan inverse of function with respect to tan inverse function. So let us take y is equal to first function tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Okay. And second function is x is equal to tan inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. Now, what is the formation? Root 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta. In this formation, root 1 minus x square. In this, let us x is equal to either sin or cos. Okay. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse x. So this value will be y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. So this value will be tan inverse of under root 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, this would be tan inverse of, right, secant theta formula 1 by cos. Sin for tan formula is sin by cos. So 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. Okay, therefore this continuation, this is equal to tan inverse. So let us do LCM. Cos theta is LCM 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. After LCM, cos theta get cancelled. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So this will be tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. We have formula 2 sin square theta by 2. By sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So in this 2 sin theta by 2 get cancelled. Okay. Okay. So y value, we got it tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. This value will be So tan inverse of tan theta by 2. This is equal to theta by 2. What is this? Y value. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 2 times of theta. Theta value tan inverse x. Okay, y is equal to half tan inverse x. So now, let us do simplify x value. What is the x value? X is equal to tan inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. So let us take x is equal to sin theta. So why? Because we have root 1 minus sin square theta formula cos theta. Okay. Therefore theta will be sin inverse x. So x is equal to tan inverse of, right, expression sin 2 sin theta into under root 1 minus sin square theta, this whole divided by 1 minus 2x square, 2 sin square theta. Okay. Okay. So tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2 sin theta into root 1 minus sin square theta, this formula cos theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, this is cos 2 theta. So 2 sin theta into cos theta, this whole divided by, we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula. Therefore tan inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. This is equal to tan inverse of sin by cos. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. This is tan 2 theta. Now x value 2 theta. Tan inverse of tan 2 theta. We got it 2 theta. This is x. 2 into what is theta? Theta is sin inverse x. What is theta value? Sin inverse x. But our target is dy by dx. So dy by dx is our target. Okay. Now explain dy by dx. Okay. We got x and y values. Now our target is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to the derivative of y of tan inverse x by derivative of x 2 sin inverse x. This will be 1 by 2 constant, in denominator 2 constant, 1 by 2 by 2. This is nothing but 1 by 4. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. So denominator differentiation 1 by root 1 minus x square. This value will be 1 by 4. Okay. Reciprocal of this one, root 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, from statement what is given at x is equal to 0, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, put expression 0, 1 by 4 into root 1 minus 0 by root 1 plus 0. So this value will be 1 by 4. So dy by dx is 1 by 4, correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Okay, the remaining problems I will explain on next class.